I was probably about 38, 39 years old. I went to this one dentist, and up until a year and a half ago, I wasn't having any problems. And then all of a sudden, this one came out. The dental work was old, and being short financially, thank God my wife found Village and reached out, and I got picked. We both did cry when they said that they were going to do the work.
So we've been taking on 4 to 5 patients every year that are vets and doing pro bono service for them. We were looking for people who are down and out that need a lot of work, and Mike was one of them. He needed a lot. It involved implants, some extraction, some bone grafting, some crown and bridge work, and it took a while. It took almost a year to get him to where he is at now, but it was awesome.
It wasn't really all that painful. I was really surprised that it was that easy for me. I think it's wonderful what Doc and these people do here, because there's a lot of guys like me that won't go to VA. The work has been fantastic. The people, unbelievable. And Doc, he's just a great guy. He's my hero.